Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new session. In this session, we will understand and we will discuss why technical analysis works. It is very important to have complete trust on a particular study. Now, I know complete trust might be an exaggeration. There are always negative sides to any and every study, but there has to be a trust that this system really works. There may be exceptions, but this system works. Then only you will put your entire heart, effort, intellectual capability, and observation skills behind that particular study. So, why really technical analysis works? Now, whenever you get such question, you will find a common answer. History repeats itself. But why history repeats itself? It is very easy to say history repeats itself, and that is true, but with small change, which I want to make, that history repeats itself in a similar manner, not exact manner, but similar manner. But still, question remains, why history repeats itself? Now, to understand this, you need to focus on price. Now, we have studied what is price, and we have also come to the conclusion that price has knowledge, information, and emotion inculcated within itself. Okay, in the last session, we have clearly discussed this thing. If you want to revise again, please go back, watch that session, and understand properly. So, price has knowledge and emotion within itself. Why? Because based on the surroundings, based on the economic conditions, based on the news, based on your expectations, you react, and your reaction gets reflected in the price. Now you react in intellectual capacity and in emotional manner. Correct? Correct? Based on the knowledge, intellectual capacity, and you react in emotional manner. So price has both the things. Now, think about this, guys. We as a human being, we behave in similar manner. We behave in similar manner. You just observe or try to remember your behavior in similar conditions. You will find that your actions are similar, not same, they are similar. Obviously, you will learn and you will try to behave in a different manner, little bit in next case, but you behave in similar manner. Now, in market, you are not there alone. You have millions and millions of traders and investors. Even if a particular individual able to attain greater behavior, even if he or she is able to modify behavior and become an expert, but still in the market, when we talk about collection of millions and millions investor and trader, their mass psychology in totality behaves in similar manner. There will always be very few expert. There will always be very few who have control on their emotions, and there will be large chunk, okay, large population which is behaving in similar manner. It may be reckless, it may be fearful, it may be greedy, but in totality, we together behaves in similar manner. Now, when we behave in similar manner, we take actions similarly, and those actions get reflected in price. And that's why in similar condition, there may be similar price action and hence price patterns. Now, these price patterns can be anything. That these price patterns can be in the form of your traditional, let's say, head and shoulder, double top, double bottom. These price pattern may be in terms of candlesticks, or these price pattern may be something completely new which you have observed. There is no uh, uh, fundamental rule that there cannot be new patterns. If you have observed it, there are different new price patterns. Always there are different new price patterns. You need to observe it carefully. But having said all this, let's get back to the main question. Similar behavior prompts similar action, prompts similar kind of price action, prompts similar price patterns. And in technical analysis, what we do, we analyze the past, find out the price patterns, and based on that, if such patterns arises in the future, we tend to predict future possible move in that stock or index. And this is how, and this is how, and this is how technical analysis works. Interesting, correct? Yes, it is interesting. Let me share and show you few examples. Okay, few examples. Now, if you see, this is our tradingview.com, correct? If you see State Bank of India, have a look at this trend line. Whenever price is near this trend line, people comes in and they buy. People, they come in whenever price, have a look at this, near this trend line, they have a similar behavior. So why this is happening, that we will understand in future sessions. Why trend line works, that is also that also we understand, we will try to study in future sessions. Now just observe how price is behaving near this trend line. Or let me show you the second example. Whereas, pardon for this thing, since this is a free software, you will have to face different ads. So have a look at this Nifty. So during that 2015 to 2017 cut trend, Nifty, have a look at this near bottom, it is forming double bottom. Again, there is a fall, it is forming double bottom, and then there was a huge trend. Then there was a huge trend. So, correct? You will find many such examples. Okay, many such examples. But the core is technical analysis works and you can make money through it. Now, I'm not saying that whatever knowledge is there, it is constant. It will behave in exact same fashion. No, it is based on observation. Your observation with times, patterns may change with times. The way you are taking action by seeing patterns may change. It is evolving process. You have to evolve yourself. Your knowledge should get evolved after some time duration. Observation is important. Okay, getting my point? So that's it this for this session, guys. Technical analysis really works. So understand it, research it, observe it, and make lots of money. Thank you very much. That's it for this session. See you in the next.